Right. Now, let's do what I wrote in the to-do and the description of the video. So I need to make a new Git submodule. Probably I should first commit what I have now though. It's a mess, that's what it is. This is a standalone thingy. To remove that. So much junk. It's junk. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I want to move this to its own Git submodule. New repository. Just math. Yeah. Yeah, what license do I use normally? Completely forgot. Just use the same as for utils, I guess. What kind of license does this thing have? I mean, a GPL3 license apparently. PSD. I really don't care about licenses. Yeah, okay. No, to remove. It's just a library, a directory, so I can just remove it. Git remove math. Okay, so we want to add all of these. I'm not sure I want to keep the same CMake list of text. That is probably also going to look a lot like utils. Let's have a look at how that looks like. Okay, it's now a project. Project math, C++, mathematics, utilities. This include I still have, yep. Policies. Boost. I'm not using boost, I think. Dependencies. Yeah, I just use the threads from utils. So I don't need this. I don't have special options. I already had that. Difference. Utils object lib. No, it's a math lib. Sorry, math object lib. Yeah, I have all the header files separately listed. Maybe we should do that now too. Yeah, now it just simply includes all headers in the directory. Suppose that if I link with utils, then this is also already included. And I do link with utils. So, kind of strange that this is here. Maybe I should not add this. Try what happens if I don't use it. And we're using eigen. And this line, I'm going to add it automatically to the AICXX objects list. Yeah, I think that should do it. Let's see. Other stuff is needed though. I'm going to look at another one. Let's say thread safe. Yeah, let's compare that one with math. Utils is kind of special. Yeah, this one has this too. Strange. I'm still going to try without it. That is all. Then I should be able to remove the math library here. Actually, I can't. No. It's not automatically picking up that we have math because I think I have to add that to CWM4. Or I have to add a configure to M4. That's possible. Which I'm not even using anymore. It's kind of stupid therefore. That would be needed if I used. Do I want to support auto tools? Dang, not really actually. No, I don't. But. Okay, let's find how CWM4 decides which directories it has to include. Okay, this is difficult probably. What is this link here doing? Don't have that in here. I don't even have an M4. Let's see if it is listed. If it is hard coded in, as it were. Save thread safe. One of them. Yep, looks like it is hard coded in. I don't think Cairo depends on fast primes. It's not true, therefore. See, submodules on the right. I think I'm just going to add math all the way over here because it's new. But Cairo is going to depend on math, right? Yeah, so it must be, cannot be further than that one. Cairo depends on math, and math depends on utils. Now let's see if that was enough to pick up. It does. Cool. And everything works. It's amazing, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So the only thing left is that maybe I also want to add support now for auto tools. It's not too hard. So the thing was looking a lot like ThreadSafe. Let's have a look, another look. ThreadSafe. I'm just gonna copy ThreadSafe. Configure.m4 now to here. And the make file. .am. Yeah, well, I need more. Let's add a readme as well. That should be it. It's a magic, but I think it's the same magic, right? This ThreadSafe doesn't even appear here. So probably the CWM4 submodule dir name is now math instead of okay, then we have a makefile.am. Also pretty short. Go top builder source tier dot top source tier yep on install. Well, ThreadSafe is now math. ThreadSafe is math. Have to fill in all of these things. Okay, that's weird. That's highly weird. What's with the non-existent backslashes here? Yeah, so random. I guess it works because they're all header files, but yeah, the rest looks like standard. What are those flags here? Yeah, I guess it needs to know if it is compiling with libcwt. Okay, so this must be all the source files. That one is a difficult one. How do you add that, if at all? Extra dist? I think good and David. I think it only goes wrong if you try to make a tarball or something, and it won't be included. That's why I have to mention the headers in the source file list. But then again, then this one is not included, and I mean, there's more stuff not included then, right? Do I care? No, not really. I'll just leave the thing out, I think, the .cpp. Wait, added another thing, the readme. Nou ja. Still have to create this math-testsuite. What classes do we have? Sure. As you can see, I'm not good at writing documentation because this is all I can come up with. Doesn't help. What does the analyze keep doing anyway? It's a bit specialized actually. Yeah, it doesn't really belong here if you ask me even. But okay. Why is that highlighted? Maybe that works. Yeah, good enough. So git add everything. Yeah, we already have an initial commit for the license, but this is the real initial commit. What? Still? Don't tell me that AutoGen did not fix it. It didn't, did it? Math, setting submodule math branch to master, renaming remote to GitHub, changing URL of remote to GitHub Carlo. Yeah, that's what I want to see. So I'm still asking for my password then. And it's still called origin instead of GitHub. Let's try start one more. Fix it. It keeps doing it. Oh no, it says remote GitHub. This fails. Renaming remote from nothing to GitHub. That's strange. I couldn't find the origin. Let's fix it. Find TWM4 type file execute grep -hn this string. It is in a real maintainer. From $remote. Remote is git config branch $branch remote. What is $branch? Branch is this. I mean, what is $name? Probably math. So what is the current directory? It's also a good one. Probably the root. So if I run this with math here, then what do we get? $branch, nothing. Oh, top level is not set, of course. Top level is current directory now. Branch is master. Do I agree with that? Oh, maybe. So I have to go to math. Main. Oh my god, I hate them. Yeah, how do you fix that? I should have done that when creating the thing. Well, I don't want to make lectures now. This is such a pain in the ass. How can I rename this branch to the same name? Just first go here. Fuck. Okay, and why is it still called main? Main is now named master, okay. If you have a local clone, run the following. Okay, maybe that was the reason, so they just try to run autogen sh again. No, it worked, I think. Yeah, my scripts assume that the master branch always exists. I mean, it should have been, if it wasn't for some completely crazy people these days who see racism in every technical word. Complete idiots. Anyway. Beep. Now I can just push it, because my commit was also to, I already did commit it to initial commit, create new submodule. Okay, that's on master, so that should work. I can just push it. Push. Yep. Okay, so I think that was step 1. Make math its own submodule. What did I write in the description of the video? To do move math to its own skid submodule. Move all tests related to roots of a cubic to math-testsuite. So I need to make another one, which is called math-testsuite. Let's go to AICXX. Make it there. I still call them all AI here. I think I got rid of the AI in the Git submodule names. Let's start dropping the AI stuff. Math-testsuite. And we make a new one again. So we go to here and then repositories, new. Math-testsuite. Description. Yeah, I have to copy that from somewhere else. Let's go to, I might as well jump here directly, of course. Let's use thread save as example. Or where is it? Yeah, thread save testsuite. You can't even pick the name of the master branch. Okay. It was because I did not add a license. Oh, adding a license, just add a license file, which then makes up your the branch name. Okay. So maybe we can just do this. Well, let's make a readme. Add readme commit. Normally I just call them not origin, I call them GitHub. Okay, might as well do that from the start. GitHub. And then I did probably need this. However, it's HTTPS instead of my SSH thingy. Push GitHub mister. See, okay, you get that again. Ridiculous. No, okay. Login for GitHub. Wie is er running? Yeah. GitHub. login was wrong. That is of course gonna wood. But the password authentication was removed. I can't even do that. Okay, in that case, I have to change the remote. Does this work? Probably not. No. Where am I anyway? Oh, in TestSuite. Yeah, never mind. So I have a get remote yet. I do need to get remote help. That works. Rename. Not rename. Set URL. GitHub. Right. Blink, blink. Yeah, but we need to push it. So I need to do this. There's the README. With the math-testsuite in it. First commit. Okay. No, that is not what I wanted. Okay, we have a completely bare math-testsuite, and I want to add in that everything I need for a testsuite, which is a lot. Let's just follow the website. I'm going to need math, of course. So let's pretend that the only thing I know is that I want to have math. So I'm going to go to repositories and then click on math, which you just created. And then ta-da, checking out, adding the math submodule to a project. To add this submodule to a project, the project should already be set up to use utils. So click on utils. Actually works, unbelievable. Okay, so adding utils to a project. To add a submodule to a project, it should already be set up to use CWM4. So we click on that. Adding CWM4 submodule to a project. To add this submodule to a project, execute the following in the root of the project. should clone CWM4 into the subdirectory CWM4, or if you already cloned the directory, should add it. Next run, copy and run autogen.sh. Okay, mark that one. Follow the instructions, if any. Add autogen.sh. Can do this already. Any other instructions? Don't think so. Commit your changes. To add support for another submodule, add a file called configure.m4. Yeah. I can do this automatically, I think. Let's run this again. Autogen.sh. Did it? It did not. Okay. Git add. Git submodules. I think it should have. Okay, so we added this. Now we have to add utils. This is wrong, isn't it? I renamed this thing. Come on, there's no AI utils anymore. I think. So I do this, it fails. It does not fail. What the F? I'm confused. There's still a called AI. Oh, okay. Maybe then I should have called my math also AI. Where are my repositories? Nobody knows. I'm going to click on here. Now EVO is without AI. And XML is with. And stateful task is with. I didn't know what I wanted. And AI utils is with. Oh well, maybe I should have included the AI there. For math. But it's EVO, yeah, it doesn't have it. Maybe it never had it. I'm so confused. I'll change it. Well, that ain't easy. Change it. I think it's only the remote name. Header file, header file, header file, .cxx, header file, cxx, header file. All of them are just the same kind of mentions. More specifically, okay, can I do just another find, but then not looking in? You have to read me. I want to try that. So find file, and then I want to do name star.h prune. Is that the way to do it? No. Exactly the opposite. Maybe you have also an or something. Yeah, it's better. We even have these things, I think. Or name star.cxx. Yeah. Just to read me mentions it. So even the project not no, the project is called utils. Okay. Yeah, also no AI was used. I think I have it, except for the remote itself. Let's see, git status. Let's commit it first. Commit. Now it's again, I think, just set URL. GitHub. The old URL, but then AI. And that doesn't exist, so now we have to rename this thing here. Math edit. Okay, why do I rename this thing? So now it should exist. So now we can do git diff. Ta-da! Good status. Git pull. Everything works. So it totally renames it now. But yeah, I also wanted to rename this one. So yeah, let's just do that as well. So I'm gonna say move that to AI that. And this is the repository, but we can rename that as well. It doesn't really care what the name is of the directory. And then here we have to rename the, wait a minute. I didn't add math yet. Okay, so that should all work still. And then do the same thing. Or was it? Nobody knows. Git remote rename now, set URL. GitHub. Repositories. Math-testsuite. And I forgot again where I did rename it. Seriously? Yeah, settings. Yep. Oops. Let me add git commit am add branch to utils. Git push. Okay, that worked, and there is still one thing wrong now, because I have an HTTPS URL somewhere, which is still using utils, I bet. Where do I find that? Literally find type f execute grep hn https or anything involving utils.git. Yeah, that one has an AI in it. And this one too, and this one too, and this one too. I'm surprised. It's like the non-AI utils. Wait, this I talk about utils. Okay, I'm an idiot. We're looking for math. And then there is nothing. Because I didn't add math yet. So it's the problem is like this, but it's in math. Which only exists here at the moment. Okay, that's weird. So if you compare that with the utils thing, that has it in .git config. I'm not going to touch that. It's .git config and the .git modules. Oh, it's not listed here because math it is listed here. This is what I was looking for. So this is AI math. And then the other one was Git modules. Okay, yeah, third save has no AI. Okay, I'm so confused. I changed something, I remember that, but then I didn't. And now I made a new one and that also has it. Why? Why? And this it doesn't. Shit. And events, by the way, is also one. So sometimes I use AI in front of it and sometimes I don't. And apparently I have not been able to make up my mind. And I'm so not going to change this back. Or am I? I remember that it was highly annoying. The whole AI was highly annoying. I wanted to get rid of it. And now a second ago, for some reason, I saw that it was used everywhere, like in utils. It is being used here still, so I did not get rid of it, apparently. But I did get rid of it here and here. And here, basically. So maybe I should not have done this. I can't make up my mind. Why, if I added .git modules, I don't get a div? Oh, because I'm editing the wrong .git modules. So that my VI is being a smart ass. Yeah, I should not have done it. Now I know I should not have done it. I should have called it math. really. It's just too confusing. Now the subdirectory is called math, the namespace is called math. Why not call? Fortunately, it's easier to change back. I'm going to change back, sorry guys. Type F finds everything that has AI math in it. At least you can grab for this. Yeah, if you just grab for math, you get a gazillion everything. Did I do this right? I think so. But type F. Okay, edit everything again. These are still AI. And then we have, this was readme. What is this? Models math config. Didn't know that existed. Suppose this is going to be automatically renamed. The other ones, maybe not. Yeah, okay. Well, there. Yeah, I don't know. I might be screwing it up. Let's just rename these things back anyway. Well, not this one, but math one. I hope it's not going to tell me that it is available. Wow. Okay, rename that one back. And then I have to do this one again. Remote set URL GitHub. Change that back to math. Unknown option set URL. Did you mean set URL 2 dashes? Yes. Unknown option. Okay, so it is probably like that. Git remote minus v. Git pool. Nothing to be done. Git status. Git diff. Commit. On second thought. Git push. Okay, no. So now let's add math to this one. So normally I would do like copy this. Sorry, submodules. Submodule. Add. And now we have utils, CWM4 and math. And it should automatically work, except that we don't have an CMake file at all. I thought AutoGen was going to generate a CMake file for me, so I'm kind of surprised that it doesn't generate something. Nope. Maybe it only does that for the auto tools. No automatic generation of CMake text file list, CMake list files. Okay, I'm gonna go to a new tab. Let's go to one of the other test suites and just copy stuff. Okay, thread save it is, as usual. I meant this one. Yeah, I don't know. Probably good enough, but we are at 30 now, so 26. What do you think? Probably not doing anything fancy. So okay, I'm pressing that one. Yeah. Okay, we'll make a project. Set the standard. Get the debugging stuff, of course. And that is standard. Everything is standard. Just copy it. Paste. Math. Test suite for Git submodule math. Compile all subdirectories with the same standard. Use git touch for libcwd. Product uses AIO, blah blah blah. Exit if someone tries to contaminate. Contaminate? I don't know. Is that written correctly? Looks a bit weird. And I'm pressing the wrong buttons again. Contaminants. Contaminate. Looks good. No. Again, the wrong button. Exit if someone tries to contaminate. Yep, that was it. CMake source tier string equal measure fatal error. Play source build clean up. Yeah. Nothing changes here, right? No, can make a source tier. Well, math test. Well, I'm going to move all the get roots tests over. So let's say anything that uses get roots. Let's begin with this one. I want to get rid of it here, so I think I just have to copy it first. Copy this to the test suite, the new test suite. Source. And then we have a CMake file here. Random. So in the end, we need this to also be here. Oh, wait a minute, I probably don't even have that at all. CMake lists.text. Probably need more, like this. Yo. And then the other stuff. Wait a minute, why is there still here? Oh yeah, I was going to remove this, of course. I copied it. Let's copy this one too, because I'm going to remove it. Let's move all of them. And that were these two. So let's copy this one there as well then. And then the one at the top. Cubic Bezier is not, yeah, I don't know. What is it doing even? Drawing, yeah. This is about the distance from a point to Bezier curve. It uses a root, but it's more about Bezier curves than about roots. It's nothing to do with math. So let's not move that one. Cubic Bezier 2. I was doing the grab for, not in this window apparently. Okay, we got lost. Shit. I don't know. Get roots. Oh, I was using a grep instead of that. Yeah. That was probably this window then. Copy, grep, there it is. So this one. So let's not move this on, but Halley iterations, maybe. Yeah, that totally. So quit. Can't quit it. So you want to do the Halley iterations and the print routes as well. And then I can do git remove these two and this one too. And then we do VICM. Now I forgot which one it was. Well, this was one of them. The Halley iterations. And I was adding that here. Let's add print routes here. And this can be removed. Yeah, the bracket 0 test has to be moved as well, for obvious reasons. Let's put that first, maybe. Shit. Bracket 0. Print routes. Is it the 4 that I just copied, right? The last 4, anyway. Yep. So I also need to copy the bracket 0 test then now. Oops. And we have to remove them. Git remove. Brilliant idea. I just look at, oh no, not a brilliant idea. Absolutely everything is using it. Grr. Yep, I think this one also does not belong here though. Print routes, I did copy that, no? Yes. You can delete that here. Cubic roots 2. I wanted to leave no. Sounds like cubic something with cubic roots. Okay, so definitely these two. Let's move them as well. Add them here. Okay, so that is cubic roots 2. Delete up, so I can delete this. And that. Maybe this whole thing should go to math then. So that should go to projects. Oh yeah, no, of course. Just math instead of source. There is probably more. Yeah, roots test. Isn't it like? Definitely math. It's even the only thing that's being included here. Roots test. Hello, AG. Yeah, let's move this one too. These two. Guess basically the bottom of the whole CMake list file, right? Since I started working on cubics, so that would be yeah. Wanted to keep this one, and then the rest is should be moved. Finally seeing the light. So mine is in +3 case and small root. I mean, I just moved those. So they can be removed here now. I still have to copy them. So +3 case and a -3 case. And the other one was called, oh, there's a cubic roots here. I hope that was it. I hope it. Git remove. Does anyone see anything that is still to do with cubics and roots? What is this? I don't know what this is. It says not using math. Seems like a standalone thing. Strange. Nobody knows what that was. There's a small root here. I think that's the last one. Yeah, this is also about the cubics and roots. It looks like. I can't remember anything of this. Probably should just delete it. No, it is definitely, yeah, definitely also that department. So I'm going to do the same thing, copy it to the source directory of TestSuite. And then the small root here, probably the last one then. That was already moved. Now, hopefully, ta-da! No problems there, man. This on this side. So now look at the last file. Say deviation test. That's a .cpp file. Yeah, V8 test. That's like super old. Wow, can't even remember anymore what I was doing here. That's so shit. Now this one is way harder. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 12. Which configure? Go configure empty. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let's copy AI thread save again to math. Yeah. Top projects, repo base, top projects, AI math test suite, AI math test suite. Builder, object here, well, why not? Configure options. Now, why would I set that if I use only CMake? Rel with debug. I think this is the default these days. What's all removed? That's twice. Auto gen CMake only. Yeah. Does it have to be exported? Oh, much all deleted here. Aliases as repo base. Utils, utils, threading, and math. It's almost scary. How did the math appear here? I just copied this from thread safe. Oh. Same thing. So mysteriously there pops a math test up here. Unlock the base test. Unlock the base test. No idea what that is. Yeah, strange, but I have no idea where the top project came from then. It wasn't set here. Top project is set just to AI CXX. Oh, okay. And then the repo base is, yep, that is correct. So now we run configure, then this should be set. Just seen Ninja, that's not a lot. Yeah, what? What about these two? See my configure options. Yeah. Am I doing this wrong? Or you just can't print a bash array like that? Maybe you should do something else. As in the same as we do here. Yeah, probably. Deploying. Yeah, okay. So we have all of them. Now, okay. Configure. No configuration file found for package libc.wr. Yep, I need a I need a CMake file. Let's see. This. Copy, and then we go to one thing that does have it. So I need this file. I want to copy it from machine learning probably. Just copy that file to here. Oh, this is a machine learning. So wrong. Calls with non-existing target. AICXXCWS. Oh, I didn't add that. TWDS is not there. And I'm pressing all the wrong buttons again. Alt tab. Repositories. That should be mentioned like here or there, but I must have missed it. Copy. Add. Did not match any files because I forgot again the submodule thing. Submodule. And then let's run autogen.sh again to fix all those things. Figure it. Oh. We're getting there. Error roots test links to eigen, but the target is not found. So now we are in source and it says that we have to add eigen. Beats me. Who is doing that normally? Not here. Let's see. Cairo window. Tests maybe. So is Cairo in the unit? Eigen, yep. Find package. Find package. Just like that. Halley iteration links to Cairo window, but the target is not found. Yeah, we need Cairo window. Interesting. That is here. Git submodule add. Oops. Repositories. Cairo window. Copy. Something failed, but it's still compiling. compile until I see the error. Oh, empty lines. Why? File not found. I guess you need the thread save. Thread save. Thread save is linked on the front page. Go to copy. Submodule add. Thread save. TODO.sh. Configure. Make. The IEEE754.h file is not found. Yeah. Houston, we have a problem. Oh, thank God, it's still there. Hit restore, I just restored completely. Did not match any files, seriously. Staged. Get restore. Copy the header file to the math-testsuite. Okay, now it is here. Where am I? It's not here. No, it is here. To be able to compile it. Imperial's not here. Is that a submodule as well? I think it is. Anyway, this one can be removed now. Get remove that thing. Imperial is get remote -v. Yep. That is a Git submodule. Copy. Git submodule add imperial. Make. How is this thing printing more than 2 errors? I thought I have that suppressed to a maximum of 2 errors normally. Symbolic. Gotta be. Invalid operand, so binary expression, O stream, and expression. So class expression has print on const, but only if symbolic printing is defined. And I thought that should be defined automatically if debug is defined, but apparently not. That's where this should be defined, as I suppose. If dev, 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 if dev. Config.in, yeah, but that's when I passes an option. And the option could have the default that it is defined. Should have a default, I think. So maybe I'm not loading the config. Nah, that should be done by the clear window. Strange. So there is an option, enable symbolic printing, which should be on if libcwd is on. Maybe libcwd is not on. Seems kind of unlikely. Well, it is on. Yeah, it's printed as debug output. So, No, on. At least that works. So then I guess I'm not including a certain configuration file. Maybe that is normally included from sys.h. So, for example, I have here sys.h. Yep, I was right. So we have to copy this as well then, in order to make it work, to the root of the math-testsuite. Again. No, not as bad. MP precision must be initialized by a constant expression. And we are using standard C++20. Or is it? No, it's this one. This is what is being compiled, which is also using standard 20. Why did I not run into that before then? Maybe I'm just missing the header here for the standard locked in. Nope. Yeah, it says here, it looks like a real error. Non-const expression log10 cannot be used. Well, that's stupid. I'm not sure if this thing even has a log10. Log10 not defined. Nope. We need a log10 of 2. Totally const expression, so I can also just look it up. No, it's accurate enough. I think it's accurate enough. Oh, it is included. Huh? And what is the error? No member named. What the F? No member name generate unique file name in namespace utils while it is included. Shocking. Trying to pass a standard string. Standard string const reference. Namespace utils. Uh-oh, boost is being used. File system, right? I think this is not going to work unless we also find and link with boost. Although utils might, this is utils, so utils already doing that. Well, I don't know. I have no clue whatsoever. It should just work. It should totally work. Let's try to forward declare it, just to see what happens. Namespace utils. At least, you know, I just do something that makes it impossible that it gives the same error. So I'll get a different error. And now it can't say that it doesn't exist. I mean, hello? Just literally there. Oh, what the hell. Undefined reference. It is pretty shocking. No. Oh. And then of course to send power 10 is also not Const expression. Yeah. Damn it. Wait a minute. This is a .cx actual. That's not what I want. Oh, okay. Have boost file system. Is not defined. Yep. And the comment says it. Find package boost commands file names. Do this in the rules of the project. Yep, so power can also not be known. Oh, highly annoying. We have compilation. Okay, how does that normally work? Maybe in the projects and fault source, which I do not have now. Nope. We have lived off, as in everything works. Well, everything, this one works. That one is old and ancient, but maybe it works. Well, it doesn't crash. Halley iterations. Beautiful, the same as before. What about this one? Wow. 1 in 3 case. Nobody knows what it is doing, but it's doing something. Yeah, that belongs here, you know, as in. Okay, and the other one plus. Yep. Oh, plus key to close any key. No. The very idea. Print roots. Usage. Oh yeah. Stupid thing. Why does it not recognize this? I have to do something like this. Duplicate it to an exponent 0. It's not understanding my to the power 3. Huh. What the heck? Now it works. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably just not used to that cubic. So here's a cubic that should work. Yes. Oh, actually that didn't look like pure cubic stuff. So maybe I should not have moved this one. No, indeed, I should not have done that. Nou ja. Nobody knows what this is. Nobody wants to know. Okay, well, I think I did it. Moving the stuff to TODO. Poof. Modified content. Yeah, this is probably not necessary then. Cairo window. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, I only did two of the first two of the to-do list. Almost as expected, I have to say. I'm gonna delete them. If I edit this now, is that also going to change in the current? Yeah, maybe. It's not edited yet. Okay, so I'm going to play chess and then I go to bed. Look, I made a button. This is not how I wanted it to go. Did I do something wrong? Probably should not have played this. I don't know. Strange. No, I'm such an idiot. That's where my knight has to go to. Oh, I can go through this square now. I want to go here, so. No, I definitely want to stop him from exchanging my bishop. I think I can play this. Probably should first have played this though. Stop the knight from coming here. Or first. Just a tempo down. Yeah. This sucks. Go here, place the pawn, and then I go here. Pawn comes again, I can go back. No, I cannot. Check. Lose the knight. That would even happen immediately. So I have to go here. No, well, actually it's not true. I could play this pawn, of course, and then the queen defends it. But okay, the pawn comes anyway, and then I go here. Then the pawn comes again. I can't even give check. I should have gone here. Could have gone here, I think. Probably. Yeah, pawn down. Pawn down, pawn down. Yeah, I can still not take it. Queen comes here and I lose the bishop. But if I castle, I lose this pawn as well. It's problematic. The rook wants to come here. My queen must have an eye on this square. But I could just do this, I think. Oh, wait a minute. That one is attacked now. Ooh. Oh. Ah, what the fuck, dude. So lame. So lame. Yeah. Yeah, don't see that. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Good night.